So I'm going to start from google.com, and this short video is going to show you how to both upload a document to Google Drive as well as create a document in Google Drive online. So I start usually from google.com when I get into any tools, and you have this list of links at the top. You can click on Drive from right there, or just type in Google Drive and search. So I'm going to log into Google Drive with my full Newalm email address. So now I'm logged into Google Drive, and you'll see it has this message that says, "Welcome to Google Drive. To get started, install Google Drive on your Mac." Don't worry about that because we aren't necessarily using that right now. But this is your home for Google Drive. And you'll see on the left side here that you have My Drive, a couple of other folders and links, but more importantly, these two buttons here. The Create button, if you hold your mouse over it, this says Upload. And so what I want you to do is first upload a file that you've already created, a Word document, into Google Drive. So I'm going to click on Upload, and you have an option to upload files or an entire folder. I'm going to upload just a file right now. And I'm going to upload a paper that I've written in a .doc format. So this is a Microsoft Word document. So now that I've uploaded this file, you'll see that the icon right here is a W for Microsoft Word. If I open this up, I can preview it, but I can't necessarily edit it. I don't get in there, I can't type in this, I can't share and collaborate with other people on this. I can if I only want to use Google Docs as an online storage space, which is great because it's a folder you can access from anywhere. I would leave the document just like this. But if I wanted to edit this document online, I want to do a couple things. So I'm just going to exit out of this, and you'll see that this is here in My Drive. And I'm going to go over here to Settings and Upload Settings. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to check this box that says Confirm Settings before each upload. And you only need to do that once. So I'm going to go over here and upload file. I'm going to upload that same document. So these upload settings say, what do you want to do with this file? If you want to convert this document to the corresponding Google Docs format, that means you'll be able to edit this document online and collaborate in that document with other people. So I'm going to hit Start Upload, and I always leave that box checked. And you see it gives you the status of where it is in the upload process down here. But now that it's uploaded, you'll see this icon is a little bit different. It has a blue square, and that's the standard for a Google Drive document. So if I open this document up, now I have my entire paper, but I have the toolbar across the top that I'm not going to talk much about because these are kind of standard formatting in just about all programs today. You'll see I can type in this document. Make so I'm going to call this Google Drive 101, bold and underline that, and make it size 18, and let's say I want to start with a numbered list. I don't want that underlined, it's bold and underlined. So those are the three things that we're going to do in this Google Drive 101, this short first video. So at any time, you'll see as I type up here where it says saving, and then all changes saved in Drive. As I type, if you watch up here, it saves as you type. So every time that you type a letter or a word, Google Docs is always saving. So I don't need to do anything to save. I can just exit out of this. I can close out of this window because I'm uploaded. and all of your documents are right here in Google Drive. So all we went over was how to upload a file and then change the upload settings to be able to edit a document. There's an alternative way to turn a document into an editable Google Doc format. So if I open up this paper that I uploaded as a Word document that I can't edit, you can go to File, Open With, Google Docs. And right here it says Exported to Google Docs for editing. I'm just going to let that happen. And now it transferred this document into an editable document. I can go through and delete everything. Google Docs has just about every function that Microsoft Word has as far as basic editing. They have tables, you can insert pictures, you can also change margins. I usually go with half-inch margins, portrait or landscape. So there are the very basics of creating and editing in a Google document, the extreme basics.